What's up everybody, it's Brad and Ari here, and in this video I'm going to show you exactly how you can make a WordPress website or blog with Hostgator in 2018 and beyond. Let's get into it. Alright guys, let's get right into it. Just before we get started, be sure to give a thumbs up if you guys get any value from this video, and also subscribe to the channel guys. We're going to be uploading a lot of videos in the future about websites, marketing, blogging, and paid advertising. So if you're into that kind of stuff, just make sure you subscribe. So first thing we're going to do is we need to get a domain from GoDaddy. So I already did this. I've already got the latest domain that I'm going to show the tutorial on. But you're going to go to godaddy.com and you're going to search a domain that you want. So figure out what you want to have your website, either your company name.com, or if you have a blog and it's your name.com. Think about what you want to have, search it in here and see if it's available. So let's just show this one for example. When you type a search in, it's going to say sorry, it is taken, but then it's going to give you recommended domains here, and you can select from them. Now I recommend getting a .com name, not .ca, not store, not info. Org is okay, but online and all this other stuff, stay away from that stuff because .com looks the most professional. So see, there's one, it's online $online.com, so for 99 cents. That's not what I'm going to get here. I'm going to show you guys a tutorial on a different domain, but anyway, just add it to the cart. Whatever your website is about, that's what your domain should be based around, and then it's going to be a couple dollars, maybe even 99 cents for your first one, and then it's going to recur at $14 per year or something like that. It's super cheap guys, just go ahead and do it. And then right from there, once you have your domains, you're going to go to your back end and you're going to click manage domains. So these are just some of my websites, but I'm going to click use my domain, and a lot of people do set up hosting from here, but I'm not going to do that. You guys can do that if you want, but this tutorial is based on how to set it up on Hostgator or Bluehost. It's way better hosting, way better uptime, so just follow the instructions. So buy your domain, and then you don't even have to do that. Just click on your Hostgator, hostgator.com. You're going to create an account. I've already got an account created, so I'm already in the back end. And then basically you're going to click hosting, and then you're going to click add domain. Right? For me, it says add on domain because I have unlimited amount of domains, and this was the first domain that I had. So if you guys can get a plan for one domain, or you can get unlimited domains. Start out with one, it's only a couple bucks a month, and then go from there. If you want to upgrade later, you always can. So for me, I'm going to click add on domains, and I'm actually going to type in the domain that I want to use and build this website with. So it says new domain, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go here and I'm going to put this domain to work, but not with GoDaddy, remember. Just going to go there. I don't usually do this. You can do this if you want, but I just don't. And then click add domain. I will leave the link for Hostgator and Bluehost, so you guys have options which one you want to pick, and also godaddy.com. I'll just leave all the links in the description so you guys can easily navigate and easily get this done. So it says success. Create a WordPress site. So guys, that is exactly what I want to do. Okay, and then I'm just going to pick my brand new domain that I just got. I'm going to click next. Guys, you can get it set up, but don't even do this, guys. You guys set up your domain. If you're having problems with this, just reach out to me. I can do it for you. I'm not going to charge you $399. Also, if you guys just don't want to do websites at all, you can actually reach out to me because I do websites and marketing for local businesses. So if you need help, I'm here to help you guys. So blog title, let's just go let's see. You guys can always change this. So guys, I'm just putting this as Luke because it's the name of my client. Admin email. I always use my own email. Use the email that you're going to use to log in. So if you guys forget your password or anything, you're going to want to set it to your main admin email, right? Because then that way you can always reset it. You always have access to it, even if you lose your password. Okay. Agree to the terms and services. Username contains any illegal characters. Okay, I think. Okay, there we go, guys. Yeah, I just had an extra space in there. But we want to just click install. So then it's going to generate a password for you guys. Just log in and then change your password right away. Okay, so I'm just going to copy this to a notepad document just so that I can log in, right? And then what I'm going to want to do is you're going to want to take this website here, your new website, because now it's going to be hosted online. Sometimes it happens right away, sometimes it takes a little bit, but what you're going to want to do up top is you're going to want to paste it in, and then you're going to want to type wp-admin. Okay, so it's not pulling up yet, guys. I'm going to wait for this to load. And then as soon as it knows that WordPress is installed, because it could take up to 24 hours, it usually never does. But I'm going to come back into the video when it's done. Hey guys, I'm back, and we're actually gonna have to do one quick thing before you're able to log into your WordPress website. So as soon as you purchase your baby plan, or whichever plan you pick, it's called the baby plan for Hostgator. You can also go with Bluehost hosting, but this tutorial is on Hostgator. So after you actually get your hosting plan, Hostgator is going to give you an email with your login credentials, and they're also going to give you your name server. So you're going to have two name server numbers. So you're going to want to copy and paste those, put them on a notepad or something like that. And then you're going to go to your GoDaddy account and you're going to click DNS. Then you're going to click Manage Zones. So once you're in this spot here, you're going to type up your domain that you just bought. right? And then we're going to see records and then a section that says name servers. Now I can press change name servers because it's going to be set to default, and you're going to click custom, right? I've already done mine, and I'm not going to scroll down just because that's my hosting account with my domains, right? Everybody has their own separate hosting account. So you're going to have to go and get that from Hostgator or Bluehost, like I said. So once that's done, click save and your changes should be saved, and then you should be able to upload to your new WordPress login. So what you're going to do here is you're going to type in your domain .com/wp-admin. So once you search that, this might come up. If this comes up, that means that it's not hosted yet. It might take a couple minutes, up to 24 hours, but I highly doubt it'll take that long. It's always going to be usually within the hour. Give it 10 minutes and it should be up there if you've changed the name servers correctly. So I'm just going to press refresh, and here we are. We are at our WordPress login. So I'm just going to take the credentials that I have saved here now. Remember guys, copy and paste them like I said. That way you don't lose them, and then also change your password after you log in. Then you're going to click login. So guys, we've now installed WordPress. We're logged in and we're starting fresh. So this is what the back end of WordPress is going to look like for you. Now I will mention WordPress is not the easiest thing, but once you get the hang of it, it becomes easier. I'm just going to give you guys some basic tips to get started, and then you can plug away. I'm going to have future tutorials like I said, but right now we could literally check out this link and it's going to be a live website now. So the first thing we're going to want to do when we get in here is we're going to go to plugins, installed plugins, because they automatically install all these plugins for you. And what I like to do is I just like to delete all of these plugins because these are all plugins that I don't want to use, right? So I'm going to apply bulk actions, and I'm going to first deactivate them. And then after I do that, I'm going to press apply. Great. So now they all say activate. So now they're all deactivated. Now we're going to do this again, and we're actually going to delete them. Delete all of them. And apply. So basically what these plugins do is they add functionality to your website. So with other page builders like Wix or Weebly, basically what's going to happen there is it's just drag and drop, super basic, super simple, and it's not going to give you the type of flexibility you need to create an awesome website or blog, right? So WordPress is the way to go. Top brands in the world, top athletes, top entrepreneurs, they're all using WordPress to create their websites and blogs because it gives them more functionality, and they're not necessarily building them, but they have a company that's doing it for them. I don't really think many of those guys are actually doing it on their own because they have their other full-time jobs, whether that's an athlete, maybe they're a music artist, whatever they are. They're probably not designing their site just for fun. They're probably making music or doing whatever they're doing. Which also relates back to if you're a business owner, this may be time consuming for you and you might not want to do this all yourself. So that's where I come in play. You guys can hire me. I do websites, I do paid advertising, and I also do search engine optimization. So helping rank websites in Google to get the search traffic. Back to the tutorial here. Now that we've deleted all the plugins, we're going to go to posts. because by default, they're always going to have this post that says hello world. We're just going to want to throw that in the trash. Oops. Pressed undo there. We're just going to throw that to the trash again. And then I'm going to click trash here. And then we're going to delete permanently. Apply. That's going to delete those posts. Now you have pages, so you can go to all pages here, and then this is exactly where we would start. So by default, it also has a sample page like this, so we can just put that in the trash too, because we don't need a sample page. And basically we can go here and we can go view the website. Now this is what it's going to look like to start with, just like a piece of paper. It's nothing special, but this is a start. So what we're going to do is we're going to hover over here and we're going to go dashboard. This is how you go back. And then you want to start setting up your pages and then also your menus. So like I said, guys, that will be another tutorial, how to set up pages, how to set up menus, stuff like that. In future videos, I'll also show you what the top recommended plugins are and my favorite themes to use when building websites. And hopefully this stuff will make things easier for you guys. Like I said earlier, I build websites, I do marketing for local business owners. I'm going to put all the links in the description so you guys can easily get started and build your website. And if you guys need any help, just make sure you reach out to me. If you'd like to hire me to do some work for you guys, I also do email marketing, Facebook ads, YouTube ads now, Instagram ads, and online shopping. I'm actually going to head over to my website just to give you guys a quick idea of what a finished product looks like. So Ari's Marketing Solutions is my company. So this is my website here. So I offer website design, search engine optimization, social media ads management, marketing, email marketing. So I'm based out of Saskatoon, Saskatchewan, but I don't just offer my services here. I will obviously work with worldwide clients in any city. So we offer social media advertising, websites that work, email marketing, search engine optimization, real-time analytics, meaning Google Analytics, and Facebook pixels, all that kind of tracking stuff. And then Google Map Pack optimization is helping service-based businesses rank for terms in Google so you can get more traffic and ultimately get more sales and quote form submissions, right? Because when you're ranking number one for these search terms, you're going to show up more and people are going to fill out these forms like crazy, guys. So you can easily reach me by going to my website here, filling out the contact form, and that's how you can get in touch with me if you want to hire me. So I've done franchise websites like Acorn Stairlifts, service-based business websites, so renovation companies, worked with a ton of them, ton of plumbing companies I've worked with already, offer professional website design, another renovation company, and e-commerce website. So if you guys ever been to an e-commerce website, you've seen countdown timers, you've seen badges, nice descriptions, nice logos, easy to call mobile phone numbers. That's the kind of stuff I offer. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Again, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel if you want to learn more. I look forward to making more videos and helping everyone out. Thanks for watching and have a great day.